Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to address a common problem, and that is when I'm brainstorming with my team in a whiteboard in sprintbase, how do I turn that single idea into a votable artifact when the facilitator opens voting? And so in here we've got a team who's used the brainstorm template. This is just a digital whiteboard. Here's a great idea. If you get pulled over for an extra security check at the airport, you're entered into a lottery to win a trip to the destination of your dreams. So that's the idea that everyone liked the most. That's what we want to nominate for the voting round. So I promote that. I right click on the post-it note. I promote it to a new note. Now what's happened is that it's been kind of graduated up into the workspace level and it becomes a votable artifact. So when the facilitator opens voting in the sprint, this becomes an option for participants to vote on. And if it gets enough votes, it gets pulled through to the next stage of our sprint into the implementation stage, where we're going to prototype and develop experiments related to that. There it is. All right, I hope that's helpful, and good luck with your brainstorms and promoting those ideas, top ideas, to new notes, new votable artifacts in the workspace.